So this is where it all begins. The wastewater from all over town flows into this spot right here. And it goes into this machine. This machine is designed to remove floatables and generally trash. Paper products, plastic, anything that's big and considered trash. The inside here is really fine screens. It catches all the trash, augers it up to the top, goes into a second compartment where all that trash is washed and then compacted. Then it's conveyed over to a dumpster and goes off to landfill. Over here is called grit removal. Grit is sand, gravel, coffee grounds, anything that's heavy that will settle to the bottom. The water flows over the top and the heavy material comes out the bottom, and it also goes to a dumpster and off to landfill. After this is secondary treatment. Secondary treatment's over there. From the preliminary treatment, the wastewater flows into these tanks. This is secondary treatment. In the secondary treatment, we remove organics and nutrients. From here, we go on to clarification. After the aeration tanks, all the water flows into a clarifier. Clarifiers are big tanks that just hold the water, distill all the energy to allow all the solids that are in the water to settle to the bottom. The solids that go to the bottom go back to the head of the plant, and the clear water on top flows over and on to filtration. After clarification, the water will still have some suspended solids in it, and we got to get that out. So the water comes from the clarifiers to filters. These are deep bed sand filters. The media in there is about 6 feet deep, all the sand. So the water flows in from the top, flows through the sand, removing all the solids that are suspended in the water. The water goes on to disinfection, and then we remove the solids and put those back to the head of the plant. A portion of the solids from clarification and filtration are removed from the treatment process and delivered to solids treatment. Here the solids are treated and stored, thickened, and then pressed to the consistency of pumpkin pie. The solids then go into a semi-truck trailer and are delivered to a compost facility to be reused as a soil amendment. After the water goes through filtration, it comes to the chlorine disinfection. The chlorine is added at the head of the tank, flows through the serpentine tank, allowing time for the chlorine to disinfect. After that, it flows over a weir, and the chlorine is removed before going to the river. Thanks for coming on the tour with us. Here we are at the end of the process where the treated wastewater is turned back into the Eno River. The 2014 upgrade allowed us to reduce total phosphorus by over 50%, total nitrogen by over 75%, and doubled our hydraulic capacity. Thanks again for coming on the tour with us, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.